the camp of the former Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia by supposedly national security operatives. To what end? And I deal with to be cha. Ebekoswa fimu nyina anase bedru baby no eto be cha. Openia ojina Vice President achi police officer yi ena omokobora ne fie. Minim say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de Ghana Japade bi agya no. And go fall. So no answer so di Bawumia chi no akobokro no bio cha say ensabri bebre. Azante
so normally
yeah, he's been assigned back to
the Ghana police
service. Back to Ghana police service. So why would they do that? And sometimes we also don't have to jump the gun.
Yeah,
it will be too early for you to say I don't know because the kind of information the national security operatives are having, we may not know. As I told you, I say, it's the Ebetoa Ebetima can say yeah, but as to whether a hono mura and BB potty, I said BB was one. But mammy too, a people to fish a yaya who
on my media, may share self free aid the camp historia. Minim deal, why is it the MPs dear? This is a true common speaker.
At Ghana, Brano.
Until we so a police penion, where this whooping one.
There be a free ASP call.
Yes, I said, sorry.
When Sicilian rank on a name or a bear superintendent or a bear chief superintendent.
Or couldn't even crack. And the other now was there. I am trying to come my jeep. So we see, and you may be saying, Nayana something which I say, Nipper being opportunity over others. The past idea, and MP, that said, you better means we never shall come me speaker, no my whole kind idea. Definitely, people all have their way through Parliament. Maybe when you say protection. And this and Papa, you soon can IGP. And I say, ni penny or the nanos, you know, to say this, no swear. On my politics, the MP, whenever they change your government. I did you cry, said, you walk on now, would you be now so? I say, you do me, I do you. And then there's the payback and what am. Yeah, now,
ASP is a Aku. Yakubu. ASP.
ASP. Vice President normally or nobody guys here
from ASP. Your friend ASP is Aku Yakubu.
Me
yeah, that's the name.
And you know, BBC no. Advance science here and
promotion or you supu.
Now see our very superintendent. Okay.
And you know, and some say ba advances and ba say ya na man fu be bad. Oh my,
that's something this thing should stop.
Well, and I make say wo kwa ko sechu bia say ya no maka say mo hia sechu ran yes I no maka
national security operatives here most often than not
omo hia
when they think it is of national
interest
there they do not need a warrant. You will later say bia omanya warrant na wako court say they have invaded your privacy, violated, but in the spell of the moment when they are having their duty, they will not be faulted. They will only say they were doing it for the interest of the national security.
We can only talk about human interest. Human interest.
That's right.
Say, apart from that, we can't even go further to say. I said about headline, maybe a so a Adventist senior high.
Oh yeah. Fetch me. Brandt na or this Okofa Tuba school.
Okofa Tuba school.
Say, or see, only almost say and get you papa. And he wanted to let them know, say, it unit to me too. And a coba ran and a barco so. So when you know be at yesterday, but
oh yeah. But on my own, they make a can say, how much they say headmaster and the state headmaster in the statement to just say, Akrano or the SZ Befi.
Aye.
Or Befi, no. Is a super report now for report on call dormitory interview or best school no assign be fee so why who dey
o dey ne
what I say and to money ba say akwa be fee back no abefa ne maame ne papa tu and odi akọ so what you for pass
this is the issue see as a papa tu
online system
papa na nya serious issue
akola ya pass mama ne papa o
ne papa no we police ni ana formal ni ana so dey
I no onya
tuo
tuo no dey
but Ghana yeah these are some of the things asante kan etue yeah tia yeah interrogating e betima ba so mani me be kwa akwala no so saa ni tu za ya mani bill say na etuo na ato ye no as to whether papa no would to me so kutetuo
no
anase ni so kutetuo no eno so be kwa akoye Boakye ni o
ande ye ni kura nko sisi won say attention ni nyina akwa akwala
attention kwa akra no but akra no age na what do you say
man no 17
minor 17
16
so 16 years what do we find into we girl ya na ni
me na boa no akra
wo ku no
go tuna ni gui
wo ku na so tuna ni ewu
nyame na boa no so
what do say tuo no e pai
oh me say
amono
me say I try so me ntimi because it you pa to me abo ni
fire arms ya ye manufacture wa high bi kra
papa no be ya oda nyame ase abaya no pa nyame di ho afofie on man we ye security at campuses especially on this year in particular from universities and them sisi sa ya na empempin bambo a wo ye nwofa no so no e ade a parents any teacher for na e show munsa by empempin parents na sum ni nyina ma teacher for say opinion a wo tuo
at that point what do you expect the parent to do?
Of course on my nkatuo no who keep a so keep na very fancy baby a bia is under lock and key. So at say bia say won ko na desafo bia o go bia because so on fire Ukraine and kakwana mpo obon no aku no kra so
kebeti me ko no
so enti the parents na mo wotuo the mam na wotuo anya bone but how do you keep them safe from akra where minor e ya de ha adwen pa enti o mam de make about headlines p no so Gina na dia akugye to that betu jana o mam gidi say information hu hia ba sa che on say o mama speculation
affect to
the system
ebi mo gidi unim said people ebi mo mindset say maami no sabi o ko ne krechi na aban na person obeka mi wa maami sumui
so at ade no Friday atwa mu no last 2 weeks Friday na last 2 weeks Friday na minister no Eddie state metudwa by Monday na speculation were all over the place and the matter was sana
whole week
than a week
ebi mutimi uko social media ebi mutimi de awufo nwumi
so asema
betre na maame ne pictures itwagu o baswe na bewa esi ya na saso afi sasa ni wu ya na ba ko bi maame ye ya bisina konkon e kana for dey
enti no my omoche
maame we kwa dey ya we our vice president ni woni asem kra wo say for me otiminya time
omanya butra
no I'm telling you the
truth
no me yes yourself
me say
I don't think say amanyosem say tibio MP before na akoye the moment you be kind of amanyosem na akoye say the question opposition you were individuals be o man mu ha obey su maame na yi no so person onya views
content
creation eti maame ni mfonini no the video kakra be to abra maame no ase oya ibi o man ka o so collapse last week Rabbi so say friend one work for dia also maame ni collapse last week Emma Julius Debra mo kra de eboa no o ma meka e no ma ni kodidi ye na echiwia no wie na see the lady has given a story I would tell you an account
as of last house
but see I say you said that I catch so on your government spokesperson
chiri
nana
oh yes so no am there o say so mo sui so bo am mechiro hey I could do am for the dem on radio Suni TV especially on the social media
bad news sells enti obi a nsembone ho anze news bi anya dede so enti no o matwen but I think assemble ko actor for last week business
I mean atade dey fatano I think it's looking good fatano pa she's our vice president.
Yes.
Don't kill her.
And finally, on my team for your so insane. Last week, no, your bomb can say you want to go to Kuja to way, and your bonnet. Sabin sent to an central phone and said it to Jar. Say, ye ain't fun to get over to Jar. Ye, your major responsibility, ye to me scrutinize information, who say, I no credit. As someday I no cry, I no credit.
he walked out
of a joy, a news file.
Or say at a point in time now, according to say something was trying to embarrass him, and I said, Oman and Kasao go to know. I say Team for Joy is not a lawyer, and something I is one person who can show her. Embrano did something more. In line of questioning BBI.
I put it to you.
Say, you will feel bullied. You will feel bullied.
And on my apart from that, once a member of parliament, it's a minority members and so as I'm buying. Then no matter.
As at the point in time, no be one man.
That is my point. It's a
now the party has waged in.
And then members of parliament, apart from those being on the committee,
who is the what's the name?
And you're not going to press conference, no.
Edu Samre now. Edu Samre ya ohiya adofo.
Oh, there's one member of parliament. Bibi Nyako.
Nyako do mimu no.
Friend.
Enye kwada so. MPP ni Bibi Nyako. Ono so one waging in pass.
They should all come in and give the information.
Only a ikra na press conference no. Atwema kwangoma MP Kofi Amankwa
because of
that day omum no na net one no address.
But Kofi Amankwa is not talking.
They should all join
after the press conference. After the press conference, it's like they've left him. But is he also not blowing too much hot air? Information on also one. Or no say he wrote a letter to Parliament calling on the security agencies to come. No me mano. The majority blocked it. Ama. Now they've turned around to say, oh no, you're invited on one call. Also are there, Felix Ofosu said by today. On fact, Kratom inviting no uncle. We have not seen the letter yet. I think one of our colleagues Joy did a search whether or not Papa no days or my age now. They came to confirm say every detailer in Team for Joy but as to the content in the aeroplane, they cannot substantiate that. But near more time we do the flight no number flight crawl anyone you mean almost every single thing one missing back but they are missing near man woman no allergy say cocaine any money
plane
and no dey obi ani ho
nti ho na be ya
Greek no ya
okay
ya ma me too
akota media ketua bi on Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne bodyguard national security for storming ifie ni ade na konta sekoba seya na afi ye beba koduru ba bi ema ye nuanom mo security agencies ni mo no either police and as military say ya sign say onko guard political figure bia obon safi no mo twetwe omo ho because ebia memi nkuta party bia pe bia standard ne eniema bi any choice
one na beka se mi pu
so ho ne yede ma kose me nkonkodi se adwuma no na me kwa kodi se adwuma no party ni free so a anasa aban ni free so na one akota ayese susu no enye onu nko ne yire so wo yire a ne yire baba ye target be bia ne yire be ko bia no anisa no ne ma suku omukọ like say omo setinam ababe bibi even kura ni nuanom ene ne namfo no mu nyina ababe ye target emwa me nwanwa sesa ade ne esie because papa no ene we national security coordinator no ososo now ye bodyguard to vice president
and then the president
Mahama emra na Mahama ye vice president
Osman
Razak who said
this OP Osman Razak
yes
why ADC 10
now ososo ye bodyguard to Mahama
Mahama be president kra now o kanisimu this year you are the national security coordinator and you allow this for an ADC a police officer no. Even if there is an intel, there's a way of going about it. Baba Koran Sakirifia Pupu, Fansen, you bring them coin on in the Maufia. What kind of apprehension is this? It's becoming one too many.
Just give me a short notice.
It is becoming one too many.
You, whatever.
I don't want to cry. And NDC, who this you know, and national security coordinator, who you way above him.
Yes.
So when you pick a phone, the catch and say, Isaku, you are needed at the headquarters. Can Isaku say, oh my? Does it warrant an attack? To break into, ransack the whole house.
At least we no baby a kikakono.
It's becoming one too many. And one say, a
day
day will come, somebody will enter and somebody will want to defend himself.
Yes.
To be bloody.
Yes.
Because obviously a police officer.
Yeah.
Officer, if he feels threatened.
Yes.
On self-defense.
Yes.
One way I know I go shoot to me.
Yes.
The baby I say, and maybe a Muslim does who you overpower and kill him.
Yes.
Now, how do you explain?
Over the way explain it.
It's becoming one too many. And the way I say,
somebody should talk to somebody. Somebody should call somebody to order.
It's becoming too many. You want me on Razak, Omanhene
too much.
You know, we were told, say, the position.
The promotions be delayed. Because
MPP.
Yes.
And so, spending most of the time with Kofi Annan peacekeeping.
It's the idea wona anya odeno.
You've been elevated.
Fault of it.
You are now the national security coordinator.
That's your police in.
Oh, that's your police.
That's your police in.
All retired.
And the point is this. Look at also so Mahama Befa.
Yeah.
Or do no national security position. Say like political appointment.
It's a political appointment. NDC and winning about from you're not going to
what I think you know. Mo munim de fa bambo ho no mo sabe mo ne ya bi say no yen civilians me hu say mo ho nyina ase mo ison political ase mo pe amanyo dibre bi what I say because national security coordinator say ho na Mr. Ghana power no
so no be national security minister
say no de omu nyina no omu at least we omu nyina national security minister omu nyina national security coordinator and the opposition yes position getwa one in the likes of Kofi Boakye meboa.
Yes,
and that parody nipo munim de fa bambo.
Yes.
And to never be
this man you on so onya issues ACP agbozo
national security advisor.
Omunyina wo national security.
Advisor.
Omunyina wo national
security. So on my end
the careful so now question the very people that have been appointed are people who felt they were not treated well.
Yes.
Who were embittered.
Yes.
So according to say now it's a payback
time.
Why not careful?
At least.
Because look at Jakwa. Jakwa, everybody knew had a beef with the XY government. The way I be a court to send by. 1. 2, Kofi Boakye. And he only IGP. And who send Agbozo.
ACP Agbozo.
Yes. Jakwa say omo ayafa omo abetwa. National security no. I said, I said they have a beef with even security agencies and the former government. And you know, say, Munkona vendetta. Oh yes, people have a mindset. No. But I mean, yes, you say Kofi Boakye. And I said, Osman Razak is a fine gentleman. Trust me.
At the
blind side. But I think they should do something as maybe a Japanam CCA. Why na kasa said the Wabawura baby a ko say. Bank of Ghana for box society for a friend say Sikani gold an individual container a so Oma issue manhunt or movie say the panel.
No, guys, when last week that make canoe.
This is the very thing I was a national security operatives.
When the first one be na when December was a different one.
When buy no supplement hodie no.
Unless it's a container we ma.
It's your friend or mobile rem. Oh, Yahweh. When the here. Ghana near maybe a yira no. No man see no kind. Attacks be are not threat to be. But individuals, why are Bonia? Judiciary no arrange them before court. One say, Papa, in Team Fojo, Obusa say, Samson Ladi, interested, say, any ordinary person, and or making such allegation about this time KBI action.
Yes. And
also, Argentina Samson Sunye interested. In the 350 and 150 cocaine bastard. Oma see achi oma yes omo na ye omo dia no adenti no no so nye interested say ya really omo before court as at now now no ye interested in no persecution so abeka say wa hu bibi
or suspected
I say among for ye interested say ye nchi ono dan they are no suspect say meanwhile no national security so confirm say 350 million worth of cocaine 150 million worth of cocaine has been busted. I don't know mama who ni pakro na ye chain on ye arraigning before court. Because my penny could 4 time. Ade Akye Abia any tago. They were linked to it, they were jailed. The whole nation saw say when they involved. Why is it that 350 million worth of cocaine, 150 million worth of cocaine? We are talking about 500 million.
Yes.
Alleged money laundering. Not one person has been arrested as at now. And you are telling me Tim for Joe, so yeah, MP. Nah, our immunity being, we should be interested in arresting or no. What are we doing?
At this time, say national security be my daily or
no,
some of these things
no, citizens, no. Any deal. The Omona do baby cry now, Omunya interna, Omuya who you know, my sonny, Eddie Ama police, the also police under no, not police for something. If you want to more on police for mum, will be dealing with us. Tom Nebema update ne Sanya Maniamano. But you do the
enforce issue statement.
Yes.
Say,
UN
they should not let Ghana become
a
hub
yes.
Okay.
Because
maybe we don't know the intel they have.
Yes.
But Omono send the caution say Ghana fi.
Akota say utie de ekoso nyina MPP Pelmani ye, NDC Pelmani ye, National Security for mo pese mu hunu nipa eye behind this cocaine ade. Akota ede na si wo kwan say honorable John Ntim Fojo. Ene National Security for nyina bia say na minority ne pese they should come to parliament. No mo nyina ntena se na omo George wi a omo di nkomo no wi a information omo wo no omo di ama national security for so di omo di ama omo na afi omo address media no say ya no way honorable John Ntim for John MPP for no ye information a ye nyina di ama national security for omo nie ye di ama omo so assurance bi a also omo de ma ye bia no omo e di ama yen omo ma ye bia this number of days say nipa say chire play no baby efiri ebedru ye enema efa ko ye ene nyama bi a ya checheche nyina no e bia moma na wotwe mienu ye the briefing na bebre makota e dey na so
unfortunately they've turned it into the political football
we say na some no we chere some
follow so for suku ache ba be kasa see the lies of and for also say muye cocaine now somebody say so now everybody wants to win a political point political point to see any city say asem na say Orlando ha no more on the tip of Jumadi eba stay tuned we'll be back
yes more winning as for the first